Hello, it's Paul from Paint Medic again. Today we have in a Mazda 3 in Sol Red, which is a pearlescent red. Quite a tricky colour to deal with. It's only a small kind of damaged area, but it does require quite a big repair to get it right. I'll show you the damage and the finished result. So here we are, here's the car, Mazda 3 Sol Red. It's a stunning looking colour in the pearlescent. And the damage is just down here. So it doesn't look like much. Bit of a dent and a graze, got a little bit rusty there. But to repair that, I'm going to have to respray to blend in all this paint an area about as far as that to get it all to blend in. I'll show you the results later. Quick update on the repair. This is the undercoat's gone on. All the dented and rusted area has been taken out. So now it's a case of masking all this out, cleaning it all up, getting it all properly degreased, ready for the paint. The paint is going to take a lot of coats. It's a very, what we call low hiding paint. So it's a very thin paint, takes lots of coats to build in the colour. So it's going to take a while. Okay, so partway through spraying this Mazda in Sol Red. Sol Red is what they call a 3-stage paint. And this is the first stage, which is laying down the metallic or pearlescent base coat. So it looks a mile out at the moment, but all that will change in what I'm doing now, which is putting on the transparent clear coat before the lacquer goes on. As you can see, it's darkened it right down, and that's where I still haven't blended it in. So I'm still trying to blend it in. As you can see, when that goes on, it darkens it right down. So here we are, it's all done, all blended back in, all like new. All finished. So there we go. I hope you found that of interest. If you would like a quote, please do get in touch. All the contact details can be found on the website www.paintmedic.co.uk.